Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I would like to introduce one of the most useful accessories that I have carried along with me anywhere. So I can't wait to tell you more about it. Okay, so what I would like to introduce to you guys today is here. So this is the carrier and it's very small, as you can see. It's about the size of the USB flash, exact same size. But the usefulness of this tiny carrier supports the SD card as well as the micro SD cards. And you can use this one to plug into 3 different types of ports. So the first one is the Type-C port, as you can see here. The next one is the Type-A port. And then it also supports the micro USB port as well. Well, I carried this one along with me anytime, anywhere, because you know, with my Mi Pad 5, I can just plug and play right from this one. And especially after taking a bunch of photos, I can edit those photos immediately by just, you know, inserting the SD card into this carrier and then plug into my devices like Mi Pad 5, and then I can just copy or transfer all of those, you know, photos onto my Mi Pad, and then I can just start editing those photos right away. It makes your work a lot easier. This tiny carrier actually comes with this safety board, as you can see over here. So it comes together like this, so you can attach this tiny carrier with this safety board. And with this board as well, is very useful. It comes with the door over here that you can open the door, and you see that you can store your SD card, micro SD card, nano SIM card, and another micro SD card with this SIM injector. I drop it. Okay, open the door. Okay, it's here. See the SIM card injector. So just put it back. Yeah, here it is. It's very sturdy. Yes, see, the door is very sturdy. Yeah. For the price of this one, it's only $8. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Thanks.